Hello, in today's video, we'll discuss how to withdraw or cash out money from Cash App. Watch until the end to understand the complete process. You have a few options for withdrawing money from Cash App. Using the Cash App mobile app. Open the Cash App mobile app and log in. Tap the Money tab and select Cash Out. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and tap Cash Out. Choose the deposit speed and enter your PIN. Using the Cash App website. Visit cash.app and log in using your credentials. Select Money from the left tab and click Cash Out under your balance. Enter the amount and click Continue. Select a bank account and deposit speed, then tap Cash Out. Using an ATM. Find a compatible ATM and insert your Cash App card. Enter your PIN and select Withdraw. Choose your withdrawal amount and wait for the transaction to complete. Collect your money, receipt, and card when done. And that's how you can get money off Cash App using different methods. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.